Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is A Visit to a Village. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how we can express our agreement and how we can agree and disagree politely. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have already taught you how to express yourself and how you can tell about your likes and dislikes. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. Locate specific information in a calendar and class timetable. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Nahl, verse 125, invite to the ways of your Lord with wisdom and good instructions, and argue with them in a way that is the best. Yes, my dear children, subhanallah, you see beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us about everything in Quran. First of all, through this verse, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is addressed, and after him, all of us, we are addressed for what? Allah is saying, invite people, whenever you want to talk, you want to convey your point of view, do it by using wisdom and good words, good instructions, and argue. So whenever there is a difference of opinion, there can be an argument. So whenever there is an argument, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to use the best ways. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us. Alhamdulillah. So we'll try to practice this today, inshallah. First, you tell me what is a timetable and what are the benefits of being polite. I have taught you what does polite mean. So do you remember, and what are the benefits of being polite? So pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you know, all of you know what timetable is. I brought a picture for you. Here is a timetable, okay? And this timetable has been pasted on a wall. Now, how to read a timetable? How do we do that? Here are the days and here is the timing and days. Now, to reach to a specific information, if I ask you by Tuesday 10 a.m., what will be you doing, where you will be? So Tuesday is here, and 10 a.m. you will be taking your language class, and by Thursday 10:30 where you will be? So here is Thursday, 10:30 is this slot, you will be taking your maths class. Do you understand? This is how we read a timetable. Now, my dear children, I want you, for example, this is a timetable already developed, and I want to fix a Quran class once a week. So where I should put it? Find out, okay? So all the subjects are there, we cannot change them. Art class, that is also important, and library, that's very important to read more books about it. Here I find music. Oh, instead of music, we can place a Quran class here, right? So this is how better we locate an information, and we can find out how we can alter what comes after English class. On Monday, it's English class, and at the same time on Tuesday we'll have our Quran class. This is how we can follow a timetable, right? So you may find out your timetable. If there is any suggestion, you can talk to your teacher. That's why we cannot do it, right? Okay, the second thing we are going to learn about a calendar. We know a calendar is 12 months period, which is a year, and it starts from January, February, March. There are 12 months. If we want to locate a specific information, how do we reach to that point? For example, here, Amna's birthday is on the 4th day of the 3rd week of 7th month. You see, this is how a calendar is. 7th month, so we'll follow it first. We'll go to 7th month, then we'll go to 3rd week, and then we'll go to 4th day. This is how we reach to the specific information, okay? So which is the 7th month? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. July is the 7th month, okay? So which week we want to go? 3rd week. So how we'll reach? Week 1, week 2, and week 3. And which day? 4th day. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So Amna's birthday is on 14th July, right? So this is how we follow a specific information in a calendar, right? Let's practice it further. Hamza is going to Islamabad with his parents on the 7th day of 4th week of 2nd month. So 2nd month of a year is February, and it's 4th week. So let's go to 4th week. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And which day we need to go? Day 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Hamza is going on 27th February, right? So I have taught you how to read a timetable. I have taught you how to reach to a specific information on a calendar. Are you done with it? Do you get it? Okay, so I'm going to check it through an activity. Are you ready for that? All right, a very simple activity is given in your book. So what you are going to do, you will locate the national holiday from the calendar. The information is there, and I suggest teacher because a month image is given in the book, so you may ask different type of questions for the same month, so that we can find every child is getting it. So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, smart work. So let's move to the next part of this lecture, and that is about listening and speaking. So as I told you, whenever there are two people and they are talking about something, there are only two situations. Either you agree or you disagree, okay? So beta, one thing which is very important, we agree or we disagree, we should express it in a polite way, very nicely. We should not be harsh, okay? So I'm going to tell you how to express your agreement or disagreement politely. So here is a girl, she's saying, it's really hot today. So it's about weather. Someone feels hot, maybe the other does not. So you may say, yes, it is, or you may say, no, it is not. So let's see, what does the other girl say? No, it's mild sunshine out, right? So very nicely, don't say, why you are feeling hot? It's fine, you are just crazy. No, beta, we should express ourselves very nicely without hurting others' opinion. She is feeling hot, the other is saying, no, it's mild, it's okay, fine. Okay, we should not go in arguments. The next is, now they are talking about their another friend. Will Asma pass the first term exam? Now they're talking about Asma. They are really concerned. She's saying, will she pass first term exam? The other friend is saying, yes, she has worked hard, right? Now she is giving her opinion. She is giving her own opinion. She's saying, she is not interested in her study. Maybe she find her all the time playing. She says she's not taking interest in her studies. She's saying, no, she's very intelligent. It means by little hard work, she can cope with it. Do you understand? This is how we converse about different things. We may agree, we may say yes, we may say no, but in both cases, it should be polite way, right? And now they are talking about, she's saying, it seems that it will rain tomorrow. Now they're talking about weather. One is saying, maybe it will rain tomorrow. The other is saying, yes, you are right. I also feel the same. You see, this is how agreement and disagreement happens, right? So there are a few tips I'm going to give you how you can show your agreement. We use such type of words, means you can say absolutely, exactly, you are right, yes, I was about to say the same. That's true, I agree with you, right? And for showing your disagreement, you can say not necessarily, no, that's not like this, I don't think so, no, I'm not sure about it. That's not true. I don't agree with you, right? So these are the expressions we use while talking about our agreement and disagreement, right? So you know what we are going to do? Yes, it's activity time. Now it's your turn. What we are going to do? Teacher will divide class in two groups. Teacher will ask group 1 to express their opinions about specific subject, for example, maths, science, and ask group 2 to express their agreement and disagreement politely. Okay? Then teacher will ask group 2 to share their opinions about specific subject, for example, English, Urdu, and ask group 1 to express their agreement and disagreement. But how you are going to do it? You are going to do it politely. Okay, do you understand? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, very good. I hope you use polite words and correct way to express yourself, right? Good job. So here is time for your homework. You will enlist the gazetted holidays for the year from calendar and write this list with the date and day in your notebooks. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do? Questions are given here. You have to write their answer. Do you agree or not? And you have to use polite expressions we just learned. So what we learned today? We learned to locate specific information in a calendar, in a class timetable, and we learned to agree and disagree politely. And we practiced the learned concept in class. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. Locate specific information in a calendar and a class timetable. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.